In the process of metabolism. Don't lapse.
You know the scientific calculation.
Don't lapse.
It's also used in the mathematical geography.
Geographical interaction between the space and the moon. Use the calculator in order for us to learn math and numbers. Anything you want to say?
None. Yeah. To log on, just text on go down and Control F. This applies to your Windows.
It will start up. And then, boom, it became Coca Crunch.
Commercial yun na. Sige, commercial. You should use the MaxiPill.
Maxipil.
So you reach your star.
I know, friend. You started.
Yeah. Because the safeguard is to clean your body, to remove your bacteria.
Use alcohol.
Use alcohol.
Your mouth.
Use alcohol. Di lang pang pamilya, pang Use that.
Use head and shoulder.
Use clear to remove your dandruff.
Use Vaseline for better hair flow.
No. Always eat Oreo. So you can
Drink lots of lacto every 9 days.
Nido. You should clean your nido with your mouth.
Drink Milo, Actigen E, and Ovaltine.
May kahati na. Eat pancit canton so your life is longer. Longer and longer.
So that it will clean your hair.
Use Pampers to remove your dirt. So your baby can sleep very well.
Never mind the brand. It's the Huggies. Huggies is the best and the 80s.
Only use the San Miguel beer. So you can like with Pacquiao.
Drink Coke.
Eat pita so your life is very circle.
Eat Pudgy Bar so that you can keep quiet.
Uy.